Welcome to GoRout Pitch Call. In this video, we're going to walk you through the pitch call system so you can see how thousands of coaches are using our wearable devices to communicate from the dugout to the field. Getting started with GoRout is quick and easy since all pitch call packages come pre-programmed and ready to use right out of the box. That means there's no messing around with Wi-Fi connections or other device settings. Just turn them on and start sending plays. So let's get started. On the left, you'll see the Pitch Call mobile app, which is what coaches use to send play calls. On the right, you'll see the player device, which is worn by your players and displays the call sent in by the coach. The first thing you'll do is create a game. You'll want to create a new game in the app for each opponent on your schedule. Creating a new game is quick and easy. Simply tap the plus button in the top right corner of the screen and input the name of your opponent. In this case, I've created a new game and titled it Demo Game. Now that we have the demo game created, we can toggle it on and see our player device immediately respond. All your players have to do is select their position and you're ready to start sending plays. For this demo, we'll select shortstop. To build your pitch calls, we'll want to navigate to the defense tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, we'll tap the plus button to create a new pitch group. Pitch groups can be organized by pitch type, pitcher name, or however else you want to group your pitches. In this case, we'll create a new group for our pitcher, John Smith. Click the drop-down to expand your pitch group and you can start adding all the pitches you want. You can use up to 40 characters for each call, and you can add as many calls as you want to each pitch group. So after we've added a couple pitches, we can go ahead and send one in. Just tap the name of the pitch you want to send, and it'll instantly be displayed on the player device. Your calls will show up on every device on the field, so everyone is on the same page. Now you'll notice at the bottom of the screen it says Select Hitter. This is how you're able to send position-specific messages to each player on the field. When you tap the prompt, it'll open your opponent's batting lineup, but first we need to add some players. Select Manage Your Lineup and then select Add New Hitter. Here's where you input the names and numbers of the opposing players. In this case, we'll throw in a number and a name for our opponent, and you can see the player we just added on the opponent lineup screen, along with the message icon next to their name. Click the icon and now you're able to create specific messages for each player on the field based on the hitter's tendencies. Since the player device is assigned to our shortstop, we can tell them to play 3 steps to the hole based on our scouting report. Now it's important to note that you can use up to 40 characters for each message. Now if we go back to the defense tab and select the player we just created, we can see that message display for our shortstop when we send in a new pitch call. Next, let's build some offensive play calls. To start, we'll do the same as we did for pitches, but this time go to the Offense tab. Now when we add a new call, you'll notice that there aren't groups of offensive play calls. Just throw in your steals, bunts, etc., and your coaches are ready to send plays to your batter and base runners, whether it be from the dugout or the third base coach's box. Now if we want to add on to a call or send in a different play entirely, we can just tap the other call and it'll send immediately. Also, if you ever want to edit the name of a play or add a new play during the game, you can do that too. To edit the name of a play, just swipe left on the one you want to edit and tap the button to change the name. Now once the game is over, I just simply tap the Games tab at the bottom of the screen and toggle off the game, and the devices will reset. Pitch call devices won't store any data once a game is ended. So as soon as you end the game on the mobile app, the player devices wipe 100% of their cached information immediately and you're ready for your next game. And that's our quick tour of GoRout Pitch Call. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 866-777-1448 or email us at support@gorout.com. Thanks for watching.